Up next is Josiah Brown.
Thank you, Senator Austin and Representative Walker and your colleagues for the opportunity to testify on behalf of Connecticut Court-Appointed Special Advocates, or CASA. We're a New Haven-based nonprofit already serving 7 of 10 child protection courts statewide. I'm Josiah Brown, the Executive Director, and you've already heard from a couple of our volunteers, Christopher Trombley and Dwayne Jackson. So I'm pleased to reinforce the approach that we bring to advancing the best interests of those in the child welfare system. CASA volunteers help identify safe, permanent homes where children can thrive, along with resources for them and their families. CASA volunteer advocates team with system professionals, from social workers and attorneys to educators and health providers. We work with and for children from birth to 18 in both foster care and protective supervision. And among CASA's contributions are 5 R's. Reporting regularly to judges to inform their decisions about children's safe, permanent homes and best interests, including family preservation and reunification whenever safely possible. Resources and services identified, from birth to 3 to special education, after school, health, and summer jobs. Relationship building, through monthly visits and cases that can extend for months and even years, typically a year and a half or more. Resilience promoted to help children and youth overcome adversity, and that occurs through relationship building. And then, of course, the results that have seen this program grow rapidly, from a single court in New Haven to now 7 of the 10 child protection courts already. Trauma is often intergenerational, and in partnership with professionals and families themselves, CASA's aim is to interrupt this cycle, child by child, through caring adults, advocacy, and action. The CASA movement is associated with greater stability and hope, fewer placements, and increased permanency for children. Those with CASA volunteers are only half as likely to return to the system, and there's a one-on-one connection to an adult and greater access to community services through the sustained, resourceful efforts of that caring adult. In addition, CASA volunteers can help play a preventative role to reduce the likelihood that youth will cross over in the terminology from the dependency to the delinquency court. We report regularly to the state judicial branch, and our lean professional staff prepares and supports dedicated CASA volunteers across the state. Connecticut CASA is a nonprofit that relies on a balance of funding, public dollars, foundation grants, and individual donors. We seek a state appropriation of $250,000 a year. My colleagues and I who've all spoken tonight, we greatly appreciate your consideration. Thank you again.
Thank you very much.